Welcome to Sally Melodies classroom, where we learn basic music. We are still looking at the questions in the Abrsm theory exams, and as we said, these exams have 7 questions, and those 7 questions cover every area of music. In the first question, which had 15 marks, we looked at rhythm. Now we have this other question. Question number 2, it talks about pitch. Remember we said pitch is the highness or lowness of a sound or a note. So this is how they set their questions. Question 2.1, you are told to tick one box to show the correct name of each note. It had 7 questions, but I have only chosen 3. You must know the letter names on the staff. The letter names on bass clef are very different from the letter names on the treble clef. This exam takes 90 minutes. If you waste a lot of time on one question, time might be up when you have not answered all the questions. So when you get such a question, you just scribble on your working paper the staff and the clef, and then you start naming the lines and spaces. The first line here is a G, and then we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So our note has fallen on F. But what kind of F? Is it a natural F? Is it an F that has been raised? Or is it an F that has been lowered? Remember here you have been given 2 answers. You tick one or you click one on the computer. So you have F sharp and you have F. If there was no sharp there, it could be this F, the natural F. But now the note has fallen on the F sharp. So this is your answer. And then we go to the next one. On this clef, our first line here is E, then F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. It has fallen on line D. So this is your answer. Then we go to the other question. The same way. We have seen that this is B. The middle line is B. But now, this can't be B. It can't be this natural B. It has been lowered by a semitone. That is a flat. So instead of this B, you write B flat. If you choose this B, you are going to be wrong. Yes, it is a B, but what kind of a B? They can give you 2 answers, like this, B and B flat. They can give you F sharp and F. They want to see if you know more about pitch. Those are just accidentals. Question 2.2 is telling us to tick one lower note in each of the following. They are expecting you to know more about the accidentals. When you put a flat on a note, you lower it by a semitone. When you put a sharp, you raise it by a semitone. This is a natural. It means that you have restored the note back to its original form. You have a natural A, and you have that A that has been raised. Obvious, it is the natural one, because this one is higher than the natural one, because it has been raised by a semitone. So this is your answer. And then you come to question B. Here we have a flat, and here we have a natural. This note has been lowered, and this note is natural. We are looking for the lower one. Remember we said the flat lowers the note by a semitone. So this is the answer, because the natural one is higher than the one that has been lowered. Question number 2.3. You are told, tick the correct clef for the letter names. This question is the same as this one, but here the clef was provided. Here the clef is not provided. They expect you to tick the clef. You must know the letter names of each clef. For example, they have given you this note as G. You can see that this is a G. So you are going to tick that for the bass clef. And then you are given another one here. They are telling you that this note is E. They have given you this note as E. So this is the clef that you are going to tick. It's all about revision. You must revise. You must do a lot of revision. You must read your books. You must do research. The questions might be so simple, but they might also be twisted. Thank you very much for joining this class. See you in the next class, whereby we are going to be looking at question 3 of the Abrsm exam.